Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Narzo 60. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now click on the same options in both apps. I will start with my Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. Now on Realme, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Finally, click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. When you're ready, click on Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Now you can select all of those categories available at the top, and from them choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. After picking all of your important files, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Realme. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Finally, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!